Hello, welcome to a new video. Thank you to my community here at YouTube. If you're subscribing, thank you so much. If not, hit that subscribe button, really supports my channel. A very, very, very big welcome and thank you to my lovely Patreons. You make all these videos possible and so much more. I love you all so much. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you my exciting shop update. I did let my patrons know first, and I'm really thankful for the support that people who've been following my Etsy shop and my patrons have already given me, but I really want you all to know I have done a massive shop update on my Etsy shop. So not only do I have printables now, but I have lots of physical stationery goods, my first washi tape, more on that in a sec, and also my first physical accessories like keychains, badges, and I've also got a few memo papers. So keep watching this video to get a closer look at each, as well as I've relaunched a couple of my previous zines. So it's very exciting and very rare. And I also have a few new zines. I normally release a zine each month on my Patreon. I still want to keep many of those zines exclusive to my Happy Mail Day Patreons. However, I wanted to, because I did a bit of a physical stationery store update, I wanted to include some of my newer zines on my Etsy shop update too. So thank you, Patreons. I also got some of these professionally printed, so I hope you all enjoy it. There's lots of fun journals themed zines and traveling themed zines, Japan themed zines, and cute Kawaii stationery. So I'm really excited to share details on my first stationery. I also want to quickly share some footage here. I've actually filmed this like 2 times and I don't know what happened with the camera footage and the sound was out, but anyway, I was able to still get a few clips. I had a really exciting commission from the lovely Brittany, Cowan and Arumi from Mix to be part of their My Stationery Collection for the month of February this year. So the box came out and yeah, I'm really thankful for those who could go over and support the box. I don't think there's any more left, but you can always go check Brittany McCowan's My Stationery Collection website, or it could be part of her cafe website now, Koko Kawaii, but I couldn't see any on there when I was editing the video. Having said that, I do have some of the stationery physical goods available on my Etsy shop, and I also want to say a big thanks to Brittany and Arumi, who were very kind to sell some of the physical goods to me so I could have my first physical stationery, because they knew it was a dream of mine for so long, as well as having my own washi tape. So this is probably my first designed washi tape, so that's so exciting. So I'm really thankful to them. It was such an honor to be commissioned by them and supported as an artist. And as you can see on the footage here, what I do have, the box was like really amazing, and I know many of my Patreons and some of the community here were really nice and went out and supported the box, so thank you so much. That's a big circle continuation of supporting artists. There still might be some mystery packs available with various artist packs I think Brittany and Arumi were making. I'm not sure where they would be available, but I assume it would be the Koko Kawaii Cafe. If you're a patron of mine, you would have seen I shared a few clips of my little pop-up shop. It's just a really quick little bit here of me setting it up, doing some test runs, and a quick look at the little pop-up shop. So that's probably going to be there. Still not too sure because it's a pop-up shop, but it was there at the start of June 2022. That's where we're in. And it might run till about July or so 2022. So yeah, always check the updates on my Instagram, and also you can check updates for that amazing Japanese stationery cafe over at the Koko Kawaii Cafe. So I'm just going to take you through and show, I do have some snippets here, a close look at my washi tape and my keychains, and I've got some memo papers. They are available from my Etsy shop. Any support to my Etsy shop will be, I'll be so grateful. I'm very concerned in the way that it's my first time having physical stationery goods in such a long time. I only really had like zines before or printables, and I used to make some little kits and things like that. So I'm a bit nervous. I don't know how the sales are going to go. And given the fact that many of the items, many of my lovely friends probably supported the mystery box where the physical goods were in, I don't know what kind of customer base I have left, but I really would love to sell them because I'm kind of going to base off the sales of if I'm able to make an income to make more washi tape. So it's a bit of a question mark, I will be honest, at the moment. The zines, they're selling fast, so that's great. I know postage can be a real stick in the mud for us poor Aussies, especially trying to send stuff overseas, so I really apologise for that, but I'm just doing what I can, just being a sole, lone, small biz content creator / zine maker / Patreon creator / stationery designer illustrator, so lots of slashes. Very mishmash job that's going on here. So I'm really thankful for anyone who supports me, and I just want to know that these physical goods that are up there, honestly, once they're sold, that's it. I don't have the budget to probably get any of these things made or manufactured again. Even the zines, I got some professionally printed. It can be quite costly. You kind of have to foot the bill and just have your fingers crossed that you can make a bit more of an income. So yeah, any support I can have would be amazing. I'm really thankful to you all. I hope you are enjoying the footage. I'm kind of doing a little voiceover here because the footage was just a little bit mixed up. But yeah, this is all the stationery goods that are available. So as you can see, yeah, definitely like the zines and the washi tape, the keychain, the memo paper, and the badges too. They're available over on my online shop. All the details to things will be in the description box below. I want to thank again my Patreons, because you are supporting me daily. You keep me going. You give me purpose. You inspire. You motivate. You have my back. Really, really grateful, and I really am very thankful to Brittany and Arumi for being so supportive, not just to me, but to other artists as well. And yeah, helping make our stationery dreams come true. And I really enjoy making zines, and yeah, as you can see, there's a few zines that I have here. I'm like, thank you so much. I just wanted to jump in, share this little shop update with you, just in case you weren't sure they were here. I do give all the deets to my patrons first. But I do post things on Instagram, so if you want updates, you can check that. And you can also follow Etsy shops too. If you have like a favorite Etsy shop, you can follow that, and you get notifications when new items are uploaded. And I also have a bunch of printables still. I'd love you to find some fun, colorful things that will help you decorate your beautiful journal pages, or help you record those special moments in life. And again, much love to you all. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you all soon. Okay, bye for now.